Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by laying out your tools and cutting the cloth to size. This saves rework later. Measure the book cover and add a 1/2 overlap on all sides so the cloth wraps neatly. Once cut, align the cloth grain parallel to the spine. This prevents puckering. Make the first shallow cuts only where corners will fold, not all the way through. Use a ruler and craft knife for crisp edges because accurate cuts make the rest of the process far easier. Now you apply a thin, even coat of PVA glue to the cover and a light coat to the cloth's inner area. Too much glue causes bubbles. Position the center of the cloth over the cover first, then press outward to the edges while smoothing with a bone folder because this removes trapped air and aligns fibers. Once done, fold the edges and spine carefully, maintaining pressure. Let the adhesive set until tacky, about 2 to 4 minutes, so the cloth bonds without slipping. Finish by trimming excess cloth with a sharp blade, leaving about an 1/8 inch for a clean wrap. This prevents fraying. Fold and burnish each corner neatly with the bone folder so fabric sits flat against the board. Once done, place the book under weight and let it cure 12 to 24 hours to ensure a permanent bond. If you notice small bubbles later, lift the cloth a bit, apply a thin layer of PVA beneath, smooth, and press under weight. This fixes minor adhesion faults.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.